Hi, just a quick update. A lot of people have been asking me about the starting problem I've been having with my Spyder RT Limited. And as I think I might have mentioned in the earlier email, I wasn't sure if it was bad gas. I tested all sorts of things. DFW Spyder Moose had given me some suggestions, both on comments and as well as emails. So I tried a couple of suggestions he had, checked fuses, no problems that I could fix. The fault codes that came out were PO 122 and 222, which were related to throttle body or throttle sensor problems. And so that's something that required, quite frankly, a lot more tearing down of the bike, which I was not going to do. The good news is the roadside service that is provided for 2 years after you buy a Can-Am Spyder was excellent service. Painless, very attentive, very quick to get a tow truck here. You could even schedule it, so I scheduled it for the following day because I had some responsibilities. The tow truck company that they had got to pick up my motorcycle were very professional, did a beautiful job making sure the bike was secured and not scratched up, and delivered it promptly. So it's not fixed yet, but at least we know what's going on, or at least think we know what's going on. And it is at the dealer right now, Filers in Macedon, New York, which is about 15 miles from me. And it should be warranty work. So hopefully the next video I do will be on how wonderful the warranty work went and that there was no surprises, but I'll keep everybody informed. So that's the current status of my RT Limited, and I hope this does not happen to anybody, especially if you're out on the road. Have a great one.